What is crackin', folks? I'm Dylan and you're watching H3 Humper. Here's the kennel. I'm made to fit the rear cargo area of the Hummer exactly. I think it's 32 by 42 and 32 inches tall. The issue is that whatever side was touching the rear seats would make it so the rear seat couldn't fold back all the way and click in. So what I did was I loosened these rivets here all along that edge, separated those two panels, and then trimmed off this flat section to this edge, and then trimmed all along the side panel. And what that allowed for was this nice little angle so that the rear seats can still fold up and secure properly, so that I'm not losing the function of rear seats and I'm making the absolute most of the cargo space. It's a little tricky to wedge that thing in there, but it's doable. Check it out. First off, I need to pop this panel off here to get the kennel in. As you can see, it's a quite large kennel, which is perfect. It fits absolutely perfect. Reinstall the back panel. Plenty of room back here. And I've still got full function of the rear seats. They fold down, fold back, secure properly. It leaves the perfect amount of room for the tailgate to shut. As you can see, it butts right up against the rear seats all the way. So it is a very efficient use of space.